never been good enough. I'm a little bit rusty and I think my head is caving in. And I don't know if I've ever been really loved.